Oh, there we go. Welcome to the Cooking Show, boy. Hey, man, I'm back for another old one this time. Woo! Man, now I'm going to show y'all one of these here. It wasn't even, my grandma used to cook this on, most times she'll cook it when we butcher chicken. And we got about 10 chickens butchered. She would do some chicken liver, some gravy over butter rice. And boy, you talking about good. Man. And I had a taste, I was like, man, I already done beef liver. I never really showed them how to do this here. And it's real simple, easy. You can be single, you can be married. I mean, it's easy to do, but you got to like liver though. Hey, well, hey, a lot of iron in liver. Man, I'm gonna show you how to put it together right now. So join the Cooking General. We just teach basics, you know what I'm saying? We know chef, basics. Cooking General, man. That's somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now you see I got my fresh chicken liver now. I don't know if y'all can, I'm pretty sure y'all can find it. And y'all will tell y'all, I got this from Brookshire Brothers. And you see they're not really that high. I think I paid $2.52 for this here. Now, the season I'm gonna use a little garlic powder, a little salt, a little black peppers, and I'm gonna use my Creole seasoning. And also gonna use me an onion right here. What you got, a small onion. I got me 2 bags of this boiling rice, so it won't take that long to do that there. And so I'm making butter rice. I gotta have my dang salted sweet cream butter. I'm gonna fry them in the hog lard. And then the flour, instead of using flour, I'm gonna use this here, the rest of this here, because I use this on one of the videos. I got some left over and I don't want it to go bad. So I'm gonna batter them in this here. But you can't use regular flour and seasoned flour if you want to do that there. But I'm gonna use this here. And I'm also gonna use it to make my gravy too. So let's get started. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, here we go. I'm finna go ahead and season my liver down with the garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and a little that Tony's on there, and get it battered up and get ready to fry it. Gonna get my grease hot. I'm finna go ahead and put my rice boiling. But this liver here, like I say, liver ain't for everybody. You know, you like beef liver, and some people like, you know, chicken liver. Some people just don't eat liver at all. It's a good source of iron. If I hadn't grew up with it, I probably wouldn't eat it either. But it's actually pretty good. But it's got to say something you have to kind of grow up with. If you never tried it, you may not like it. And so if you didn't grow up with it, it's gonna be a hard sell. But I ain't trying to sell it. I'm just showing the people who know what it is and they just didn't want to cook it and they moved away from home. This is how you gonna cook it. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, I got that chicken liver already. Oh man, I got it seasoned down and I got my grease hot. My new skillet ain't came in on Amazon yet, but it's coming in. Then you want to go ahead and put in your grease. We're gonna go ahead and fry this here. Alrighty, get that on here. There you go. Oh yeah. And you can kind of tell when your liver gets done. You don't want to cook it too hard now, but you want to make sure you get it done. And then you're going to also put it in gravy, so you're going to actually cook again, but you still want to get it done the first time around. And you cook liver more than me. I can't really explain it to you, but I can tell when it's done. Remember, I'm a general. Ask somebody. All right, there they go. They're getting golden brown now. That's what you want them at right there. I flipped them. You want them about that brown on that side. Remember, you're going to put them in gravy now. So they will get right. All righty, now we're going to start the gravy. I'm going to saute the onions a little bit. Oh, y'all know how to make gravy. I don't even know why I'm showing you this. But just in case you don't, you know, you want to season it a little bit, add your little seasoning. You know, you want to get your onions right there. Leave just a little grease in there, not too much. You don't want your gravy too, you know. And then you add your flour and you want to brown it up a little bit. And then when you get it right where you want it, then you want to add your liver to it. Now I got the rice on. The rice is done. You know what I'm saying? It's in boiling bags. I know you know how to do that. And then you just take it out the boiling bag and you add your butter to it. You know, you put a little salt in the water when you're boiling it and add your butter. And come back and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Oh yeah, righty. I got the butter rice going. And as you can see, my gravy, that's where you want it at. Now most people might say, well, it look a little thin. Now, you want it a little thin because you also gonna, it's gonna get some of the flour from your liver when you put it in there. And you stir it up in there, like so, and it's going to get some of that there, and it's going to thicker. So you want to put them in there, stir them around, and boy, if you don't like liver, you ain't going to like this. Oh, or maybe you might eat beef liver, just don't want chicken liver, I don't know. Hey, come back, we're going to show you how it look when I finish. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, y'all, here it is here. This is what I'm used to eating, man. We didn't really get this meal until at least we kill about 10, maybe 15 chicken, because you got to save up enough liver to make this meal back in the day. Now you just go buy you something, but that's how it look. And it's pretty good if you like that kind of thing. If you don't, well, you gotta skip this video. Hey, but I got more to come. Now, let's conclude this video. Ask somebody. Oh, there we go. See that? Surprised you that time. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Man, I told y'all that was awesome dish, easy to do. Now, I got a big announcement to make. I did hook up with a guy. I'm gonna let y'all know a lot of information about this guy I hooked up with that gave me a lot of meat to me to cook, to do videos on. And you get the same meat. I'm gonna give y'all all the information. Y'all will know in the next video that comes out. Well, not the next one, because I'm doing a classic after this one, but the one after that there, next week. And man, it's gonna be good, boy. Man, hey, Cooking General. And I got another announcement to make too. And I want y'all to, I'll make all that there. So don't worry about it, the meal was good. Hey, I'm doing big things now. Cooking General, man, I'm glad y'all stuck around. Let's see what we're gonna do. Oh, you know what? Somebody.